Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. My name is Muhammad Aryan Ali and today we will learn about for in loop. For in loop is a advanced loop in JavaScript. This is a loop to repeat any one instruction again and again. So first we will understand by MDN docs. The for in statement iterates over all enumerable strings properties of an object, ignoring properties keyed by symbols, including inherited enumerable properties. Meaning, in simple words, if with example I tell you that imagine you have a list of 5 things you need to do and you want to do each one in order. You can use a for loop to do this. So I'll tell you that how it works. You start with a number like 1. The machine checks if that number is less than or equal to 5, the number of things on your list. If the number is less than or equal to 5, the machine does the task. Meaning is that machine will do that task if this condition is true. Then the machine add 1 to the number so it becomes 2. The machine checks again if the number is less than or equal to 5. The machine keeps doing this until the number is greater than 5. So this is the function of for in loop. I now made you understand in simple words. So now we will come to examples. This is our first example that we have created an object here that there are 3 keys and their values. First is A, its value is 1, B then 2 and C its value is 3 like this. Then we have created here a loop, for loop, and in is we have used inside the parameter. I will tell you how. For const property we have made another variable known as property in object, meaning in this object we have added this property, meaning we have combined these both and both are same. You can say both are same here now. Then we have console.log, and then we have used here interpolation method, string interpolation method. So in this property place the values of property, this variable values will print. Then this small double dots colon is here, simple. And then again we have used string interpolation method. Here is object and object property, and all this is will print in these both values will print here in this area because we have used a string interpolation method. If I will run it, so as you can see it is run it. I will side these one. As you can see, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2 and C is equal to 3. And as you can see here object values for these. So it's working. This is function of for in that we have joined these both variables together and both have now same values called for in loop. So now we will come here. Here is now another object const person is equal to this curly braces and then keys and values we have given here. Then we have written here for let prop. We have created one other variable known as prop in person. In this one object we have created it. In console.log prop value will print here, and prop values are what? These are the values. As you can see values are these. There are keys, these will to print, but with this one will print. So I will print. So this will print here in the terminal. As you can see it's printed. This is very simple. And now here's our last example, that const number, and this is to also an object, and for let index in numbers console.log, and everything is simple like index. Then here index will print normally because it's a string, and then in string interpolation method the values of variables will print. So here to the values of number and index will print, meaning this one object and the index values will print here. Index is this one object, it's index. So as you can see, index 0 is 1, index 1 is 20, index 2 is 30. So it's printed here. So thank you guys in this video only this much. We'll meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.